Hello students, welcome to Food and Textile Studies for Grade 9. The 7th lessons of the principles and methods of preparation will deal with the food preparation techniques involved in cake making. Let us have a look at the learning objectives. This video will help you to list the different methods of cake making, outline the principles of each method, and give an example of a cake that can be prepared by each method. The methods of cake making are rubbing in method, creaming method, all-in-one or one-stage method, whisking method, and melting method. Let us start with the rubbing in method. The main technique used in this method is to rub in fat with flour using the fingertips until the mixture looks like fine breadcrumbs. An example of a cake made by the rubbing in method is fruit loaf. You can also use the rubbing in method to make rock buns. Next is the creaming method. Use an electric mixer or a wooden spoon to cream fat and sugar until a light and fluffy mixture is obtained. An example of a cake made by the creaming method is Victoria sandwich. The creaming method can also be used to make carrot and vanilla cupcakes. The next method is the all-in-one or one-stage method. In this method of cake making, all ingredients are mixed together until a soft, light, fluffy mixture is obtained. The all-in-one or one-stage method can be used to make chocolate muffins. Another example of a cake made by the all-in-one or one-stage method is pineapple upside-down cake. We will now consider the whisking method. The technique used in this method is to whisk egg and sugar into a stable foam before folding in the flour. The whisking method is used to make Swiss roll. Another example of a cake prepared by the whisking method is sponge cake. The last method of cake making is the melting method. The main technique used is to melt fat with sugar over a gentle fire until all sugar crystals are dissolved. Add to the flour after cooling. An example of a cake made by the melting method is gingerbread, commonly known as pain d'épices. You can also use the melting method to make oat biscuits. In this video, you have learned to list the methods of cake making, outline the principles of each method, and give an example of a cake for each method. Well, we have reached the end of this video. I hope you are now more familiar with the methods of cake making.